Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. In today's video I have this Pewete gel polish set. It includes 21 colors, their base, top, and matte top coat. These do have a pine scent, and I also do want to mention that they actually smell pretty great. I honestly really like the smell. It's kind of like a nature smell when you would go out to the woods sort of smell. But let's go ahead and get right into the unboxing. Each gel polish is from the colors P80 to the color P100. These also do come in little styrofoams individually packaged just like this. The gel polishes are 5 milliliters each, as you guys can see here, and the matte top coat, the base coat, and the top coat are 10 milliliters each. Here's how they look. So I'm going to go ahead and be removing one of these colors from the little packaging here. This is how the bottles look. They're pretty tiny, as you guys can see here. I also do want to mention that these are very full coverage. They're really pigmented and great to work with. They only require one coat, which is amazing. I honestly really love that. So these work extremely great for nail art, which is actually why I did that for today's video. I'm going to go ahead and be showing you guys how the consistency looks. It's really easy to work with. I honestly really love them. They're super easy to apply and use. And this color is definitely one of my favorites. It's the color P094, as you can see here. Anywho, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get right into the swatches, and then we're going to go ahead and get right into today's set. Let me know down in the comment section which color was your favorite. These three overall were just really gorgeous and super pretty, especially the middle one right there. Now let's just go ahead and get right into the set. I'm going to be using these short almond nail tips, and you guys can go ahead and purchase these on Shein. I am going to go ahead and be linking them down below. As always, I am not going ahead and buffing them just because I don't really plan to keep on this set or anything like that. It's just to basically show or demonstrate the product itself. And let's just go ahead and get right into the polishing. I'm going to go in and do one thin layer of the color P093. As I mentioned, these colors are super pigmented, so it only requires one coat. Then I'm going to go ahead and then cure for 30 seconds. This is how the nails look once they've been cured. Now I'm going to go in with one thin layer of the matte top coat, then cure for 60 seconds. Once the nails have been cured, this is how the nails now look. Now I'm going to go ahead and be using a dotting tool in the color P082 to do some little random blobs here, just like so. Once I'm done with this color, I'm going to go in with the color P092. Then I'm going to go in with some of the color P087 and then cure. So here's how all of the nails look side by side. Now using some of the color P089, I'm going to go ahead and be using my liner brush to go ahead and create some little leaves here and there. Just like so. Then once I have my leaves down, then I'm going to go ahead and be basically curing for 60 seconds. I also do want to mention that each leaf is a little bit different. I don't really have a way to explain it. I just go ahead and just do my nail art. But anywho, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys enjoy, then I'll be back. So once I'm done with my leaf, this is how the nails now look. They look really pretty. I really love my line work and my leaves here. Now I'm going to go ahead and be using some dotting tool in the same colors that I used to make the little blobs. I'm basically just going to go ahead and be doing very tiny dots here and there, just like so. Then cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to go in with my Pewete No Wipe Top Coat. Here's how the nails look before applying top coat. They look really pretty, as I mentioned. And now I'm going to go in, apply one thin layer to each and every single nail, then cure for 60 seconds. So here's how finally the nails now look. Let me know what you guys think down below. I honestly really love everything about it. I just think I should have used maybe a little bit more brighter colors, but I really like these colors. But here's how the set looks on me. Let me know what you guys think down below. As always, I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. Happy Monday, and thank you guys so much for joining me today. I also do want to mention that I highly recommend these gel polishes. They're super easy to work with, very pigmented. As you guys saw, it only required one coat, and also when doing my nail art, it only required me to do one coat. Again, thank you guys again for watching me today and just supporting my channel. It honestly means so much to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.